Hey everybody, Dr. Max and Paige, and we are going over today is how to foam roll your mid-back, also known as your thoracic spine. So to get started, what we're going to do is orient ourselves on the mat. Paige is going to put the foam roller about 6 inches away from her low back. Now the reason that we do this is because we have floating ribs in the lower part of our mid or our thoracic spine. And with that, if we are putting too much pressure in that area, we can cause dysfunction within those floating ribs and give us more symptoms than we want. So what we're going to do is scooch the foam roller back about 6 inches. From here, Paige is going to slowly lay back onto the roller, and she will plant her feet with her knees bent. And here she has two different options. One, she can take her arms overhead. She can then extend over the roller and take her body using her legs to get momentum going back and forth to get some extra extension in that area. Another option that we can utilize with the foam roller on our mid-back is actually working on the musculature. And so what Paige will do for this idea is give herself a big old hug, and she's going to gently and ever so slightly turn towards one side. And then from there, she will continue to roll back and forth. This is going to work on the musculature or the paraspinals around the spine. She can roll to the other side, make sure she's breathing, make sure you're smiling, make sure you're enjoying yourself while you do it. Awesome. Thanks so much. See you for the next one.